Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Ribimex PE12V 2500 electric winch is designed for handling and lifting loads of up to 1,100 kilograms. Equipped with a 12-volt electric motor, it is suitable for various applications, including forestry work, gardening, trekking activities, boating, and industrial uses. Thanks to its compact structure, it can be easily installed in different operational contexts. The braided steel cable has a diameter of 4.8 millimeters and a length of 14 meters, allowing operations at a distance from the anchoring point. The winding and unwinding system is managed via the included electric control, with a manual option for greater flexibility. The control cable is 2.8 meters long, ensuring precise and safe use. The supplied accessories include a sturdy hook, a suspension pulley, mounting materials, and a 1-meter electric cable for connection to the battery. The Ribimex PE12V 2500 winch is a reliable solution for pulling heavy loads in various work and recreational environments. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.